Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you Windows installation for C++ programming. So in order to start working with C++, we actually have to do a little bit setup. First we need a text editor and we also need a compiler. So what actually a text editor is? A text editor is something where we write our code, our C++ code or program. And what basically a compiler do, it transforms that code into a language which is understandable for the computer. Now let's open our browser. I'm going to open my Chrome and search for Codeblocks. Here it is. It is the official website of Codeblocks, which is codeblocks.org. Now let's go to the download section. Here we can see download the binary release, download the source code for SVN. Let's go to download the binary release, and you have Windows XP or Vista 7, 8, you have Linux, you have Mac version. In this video I'm going to show the Windows installation. So here it is. Now we are going to choose this option. So why are we choosing this option? Because as I said, we need two things, a text editor and compiler. In this version mingw, here we have both all together. Now let's go to this link, Force Hub, and it should already start downloading, and I'm going to download it here. Save the file. So our download has been completed. Let's open the file, downloaded file, and here we have to accept the license agreement and all this. Let it be as it is. Install. Choose the installation path. Install, and it will complete the installation. It will take a few minutes to install the program. So our installation is completed. Now do you want to run Codeblocks now? Yes. Here it is. Now Codeblocks is currently not the default application for C or C++ source files. Do you want it to set it as default? You can also change association for the environment setting later. Yes, associate Codeblocks with C or C++ file types, or you can choose no, leave everything as it is. So here I'm choosing this option. Okay. So we have done our setup for C++ programming. This is all about this video. I'm going to show you rest of the thing in the next video. Thanks everyone.